A young professional named Sarah accepted a brand new corporate job that offered a 5% raise during a year when national inflation hit 8%. Sarah felt thrilled walking into her modern office because her printed paycheck displayed a noticeably larger number than she had ever earned at her previous workplace. 6 months later, she checked her monthly balance and noticed that despite working longer hours, she was struggling to pay her ordinary grocery bills and apartment rent. What Sarah did not realize was that an invisible psychological glitch inside her brain was actively causing her to lose real wealth while feeling completely successful. Economists have studied this exact phenomenon for generations, but almost nobody ever takes the time to explain how it quietly drains your personal bank account. I break down one psychological concept per video in plain English, so if you want to understand why you make decisions, subscribe and turn on notifications. Imagine two distinct job candidates who receive completely different employment offers in two very different economic environments across 2 consecutive calendar years. Candidate Alpha receives a 3% salary decrease during a rare deflationary period when local consumer prices fall by exactly 5% overall. Candidate Beta receives a generous 5% pay raise during an inflationary period when the general cost of living skyrockets by 9%. When researchers presented this exact choice to thousands of smart people, over 70% insisted that candidate Beta received the vastly superior financial deal. But if you calculate the math, candidate Alpha actually gained real buying power, while candidate Beta quietly lost purchasing power and became demonstrably poorer. Before I reveal the exact scientific name for this trap, think about how many times you celebrated a raise that actually reduced your living standards. The primary reason your brain falls for this trap is that human evolution never prepared our minds to process abstract numerical values that constantly fluctuate over time. For thousands of years, a single physical asset, like a basket of apples or a wooden tool, maintained its exact utility regardless of external factors. Modern fiat currency changed everything because governments can print billions of new digital dollars without creating a single extra physical good or service. American economist Irving Fisher first documented this human mental flaw in 1928, after observing how citizens reacted to post-war currency changes. Decades later, in 1997, behavioral scientists Eldar Shafir, Peter Diamond, and Amos Tversky proved that this bias influences almost every major decision. They officially named this cognitive bias the money illusion, which describes our natural tendency to think in nominal terms rather than true purchasing power. In simple terms, your brain naturally loves seeing bigger numbers on a paper document, even when those numbers buy fewer real goods in the marketplace. Before I get to the most counterintuitive part, and trust me, this next experiment will surprise you, we must examine how modern banks exploit this flaw. Commercial banks and marketing departments understand your mental shortcuts intimately and design financial products specifically to trigger this exact psychological comfort. Consider a high-yield savings account advertising a 5% interest rate, which sounds like an incredible opportunity to grow your family's savings risk-free. If consumer price inflation is running at 6% and taxes take another 1%, your real return is actually -2% every single year. You feel completely safe because your online account dashboard displays a larger total balance at the end of every passing month. But in terms of actual physical goods like housing, healthcare, and fresh food, your hard-earned capital is slowly rotting away behind that glowing screen. Large corporations also utilize the money illusion when negotiating annual salary adjustments with their existing workforce during periods of rising prices. By offering a modest 3% nominal raise during 4% inflation, executives make employees feel rewarded while simultaneously cutting their real labor costs. Real estate markets display this exact same psychological distortion when homeowners celebrate selling a residential property for significantly more than they originally paid. A homeowner might buy a house for $200,000 and sell it 20 years later for $400,000, claiming a huge profit. But if all surrounding homes and local living costs also doubled during that same time frame, that seller gains zero actual capital or real purchasing power. In fact, after paying real estate agent commissions, property taxes, and capital gains fees, that homeowner actually lost wealth while feeling like a financial winner. Stay with me, because what I am about to show you in the next 2 minutes is the part that changes how you view your paycheck forever. Think about the last time you received a promotion or a pay increase at work. and picture how you immediately adjusted your daily spending habits. Psychologists call this secondary trap lifestyle creep, which merges directly with the money illusion to ensure that even high earners stay perpetually broke. When your nominal income increases, your brain signals that you are wealthier, prompting you to purchase expensive lease vehicles and premium monthly subscriptions. But because your real income after inflation barely changed, these elevated expenses push your personal net worth into dangerous territory without your awareness. This explains why professionals earning $200,000 per year frequently live paycheck to paycheck while feeling constantly stressed about their finances. So now you see the full picture snapping into place every single time you look at cash sitting inside a standard bank savings account. The entire global financial system is fundamentally structured to reward those who own scarce real assets and penalize those who hold paper currency. Governments actually rely on mild inflation combined with the money illusion because it quietly reduces the real value of their massive national debt burden. If a government owes trillions of dollars, inflating the currency allows them to repay those debts with cheaper dollars while citizens pay higher nominal taxes. You are effectively paying a hidden tax that never appears on your official annual tax document or requires a single vote in Congress. Once you recognize this psychological mechanism, you can stop evaluating your life choices based on meaningless paper numbers and start building real security. The first step to breaking free from the money illusion is to calculate every financial metric in real terms rather than nominal terms. Whenever you evaluate a job offer, a savings account rate, or an investment return, always subtract the current local inflation rate immediately. If your workplace offers a 4% raise during 5% inflation, recognize that you are being asked to accept a real salary reduction. The second step is to shift your long-term wealth strategy away from holding excess paper cash and toward owning productive, scarce financial assets. Assets like broad market equity index funds, cash-flowing real estate, and productive businesses naturally adjust their prices and revenues upward during inflationary periods. When consumer prices rise across the economy, the businesses you own charge higher prices, preserving your real underlying purchasing power over time. The third step is to measure your personal cost of living in hours of labor rather than arbitrary dollar amounts on a price tag. Calculate your true hourly wage by taking your net income after taxes and dividing it by the total hours you spend working and commuting. If a luxury item costs $500 and your true hourly wage is $25, ask yourself if that item is worth 20 hours of life. This simple perspective shift strips away the numerical trickery of paper currency and forces your brain to evaluate real human value accurately. Let us pull this entire concept together so you can remember this lesson for the rest of your financial life. First, the money illusion causes your brain to mistake nominal dollar numbers for real purchasing power, leaving you vulnerable to hidden inflation. Second, banks, employers, and governments routinely benefit from this cognitive blind spot by offering nominal increases that mask real losses. Third, true financial freedom requires moving away from cash holdings and building a portfolio of productive assets that expand faster than currency devaluation. If this video helped you see your money clearly for the first time, hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications right now. Share this video with one person you care about who deserves to understand how the economic system actually works behind closed doors. One serious conversation about the money illusion today could completely transform how your friends and family build real wealth for generations to come.